Oxeon P 0.025% nasal drops is a medicine used to treat nasal congestion caused by the common cold or flu, hay fever, and other allergies. The main active constituent of this nasal drop is oxymetazoline, which works by narrowing the small blood vessels in the inner surface of the nose. This provides temporary relief from congestion. You should use it in the dose and duration as advised by your doctor. Check the label. This medicine could be used as drops or spray. For using it as drops, squeeze the bottle in upside down position, whereas for spray, squeeze the bottle in upright position. The common side effects include irritation, dryness of mouth, and dry throat.